Well, hello there, everyone. This is Jeff Snyder, Autism Neurodiversity Ambassador, self-advocate, public speaker, writer, and founder of Going the Distance. And I'm proud to introduce a new book series that I will be debuting this year called The Neurodivergent Owl. This is a book series that will cover my lived experiences as a neurodivergent adult. And for those of you who don't know what the Neurodivergent Owl is, you may remember that I was a contributing author to the book This is Autism by Aidan Allman Cooper and the late Jessica Leitchwise. And Jessica would often call me the wise old owl from Winnie the Pooh. So that was how the name came about. And the goal for the Neurodivergent Owl book series is to share my stories of growing up neurodivergent, whether it be through school-related matters or weddings, funerals, doctors, going to church, you name it. All this is through my own lived experiences, and I'm pretty sure you guys will find everything interested to support your neurodivergent loved ones and those of you who work with neurodivergent individuals. So I look forward to sharing this book with you at some point in 2026. And stay tuned to my social media for further details. Thank you.